If we have water shut off to 25 homes and it takes us 6 hours to fix something instead of 4, like, yeah, I just get phone calls. Everyone's yelling at me. We're a small enough community that even those neighbors have the mayor's personal phone number, so then he calls. You know, it can just escalate quickly. So I am Zach Root. I'm North Logan City Utilities Director. Basically, I'm in charge of all the wells, the springs, our surface water treatment plant, and then distribution to all the city homes. So anyone that has a water meter, we make sure they get their water supply. I would love to run a department more efficiently as a broader goal. So depending on what it is, if it's a 2 a.m. leak, we gotta hit the shop first, get everything, get out to the job site, fix it as quick as can. Our biggest problem was just what we can carry day to day. And so, you know, if you have an empty bed in the truck, you can't carry your power tools necessarily in the weather. You can't carry your electronics in the weather. So you're stashing everything in the cab. Then you can't carry guys to the job site. So we were just trying to find something that gave us some seats in the cab and made it so we could still load our trucks full. With winters here, one problem we saw was truck beds getting filled with snow if you park them outside. And, you know, all of the metal tools will freeze to the bed of your truck. Not having to pressure wash out the truck or using a frozen street wrench or something like that, it just made it a lot easier. It was on emergency situations where we found the lost time to be an issue. You know, when it takes a guy 40 minutes to run back to the shop to get one thing we forgot, it raises the personal frustration immensely. I found the product, I want to say it was in like Guns and Ammo, you know, seeing how guys rigged up their trucks to carry stuff. We really liked them. We thought that could be a good solution for what we've got going on here. Being more organized and efficient, we can fix time problems, but we can also give better estimates to the public about how long projects will take. After we redesigned the way we do things, the biggest immediate impact I saw was just being able to have everything with me all at once. And so I was able to roll up to a job by myself. I had all my tools, and my guys could go elsewhere in the field, and they also were set up for success. For some of the older guys on our crew, the truck bed toolboxes were just too tall. It's not the easiest to climb in and out for everything you need. DECKED put it, you know, it's more ergonomical for them. It's easier to see what they've got. It's easy access. They don't have to worry about climbing in and out. They can just get their stuff and go. It's cleaner and it's faster. I believe it's made the people I work with happier just because of the convenience and how easy it is.